A little bird was flying south for the winter. It was so cold that the bird froze and fell to the ground into a large field. While she was lying there, a cow came by and dropped some dung on her. As the frozen bird lay there in the pile of cow dung, she began to realize how warm she was. The dung was actually thawing her out. She lay there all warm and happy and soon began to sing for joy. A passing cat heard the bird singing and came to investigate. Following the sound, the cat discovered the bird under the pile of cow dung and promptly dug him out and ate him. Moral of the story: not everyone who shits on you is your enemy. Not everyone who gets you out of shit is your friend. And when you are in deep shit, it's best to keep your mouth shut.